Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle equal to a given angle. So to start with, you will be given an angle, right? So here this is a given angle, angle ABC. So we have to draw another angle whose measure will be equal to this given angle, right? So let's start. See, what do you need? You need certain tools to actually draw that. You need a scale, a ruler, you need a compass, obviously with a pencil. I'm using a sketch pen for better visibility, and to measure whether the new drawn angle is equal to the older angle or the given angle, you need a protractor to measure it. Got it? So for now, we do not know the measure of this angle, right? So this is just a random given angle. So let's start. Okay, so what do you need to do? See, for example, we have learned in previous lecture that in a given angle, what you have two arms. Like for example here, AB and BC are two arms, and this B is the common point, or otherwise also known as vertex, which forms an angle, right? So we need one arm and the second arm, right? So let's draw the first arm. So step by step, please notice, students, what you need to do. You need to draw the first arm. So we'll draw the first arm. Got it? So of any length. So we have drawn this arm. Let's name it. So X, and this is O. O be the new vertex. Got it? Now, what do you need? You need a compass. Okay, take any radius of your choice. So randomly take this radius. So we have taken this radius. Okay, don't change the radius in the next two steps. So the first step would be, take a radius of your choice, put this pointer into the B vertex, which is the given angle vertex, and draw an arc which intersects in the two given arm. Got it? So let's name them. So it has intersected in, let's say, P and Q respectively, in BC and BA, right? Now the thing is, without changing the radius of the compass, now put the pointer into the new vertex O, right, and draw a similar arc here. So you've drawn it. Now what you need to do, see the intersected points in the given angle PQ, measure the distance between P and Q with a divider, or use this one, compass. I recommend compass. Eventually you have to mark a point here with a compass only. So see, point, put the pointer in Q or P, whatever you like. So I am placing the pointer in the Q and measuring the distance between P and Q with the compass. So yeah, so this is right. So this is the distance, right? Do not change it. Now see, in the new, let's say it has intersected in this point, like in T. So this point is T. So putting the pointer in T and without changing, this is the distance between P and Q we have taken. Now draw an arc intersecting this new arc. Got it? Now take the scale and join this one and this one, the vertex O and this intersecting point, right? So join it. So we'll name it as Y, right? So this is a very simple step to construct an angle equal to a given angle, right? Now what we have done, we have taken a radius with a compass, a random radius. We have drawn two arcs in the old angle, the given angle, and in the new arm, right? Now measure the distance. Now take that particular radius, point in the new intersection point, and draw another arc here. Join this one. Got it? So this one will be your new angle which is equal to the given angle. So let's measure it. Let's measure it. So this one was approximately 55. Okay. So let's measure this one. See, 55. Got it? So this one is 55 degree and the new angle is also 55 degree. So this is a very simple step, and how to construct an angle equal to a given angle. I guess you have followed my lecture and the step-by-step process how to do it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Okay, thanks for watching, students. Have a great day. Bye bye. We'll soon meet.